Pascal Hostico. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 25 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 1.5 kilograms chicken, a half piece white onion, 3 cloves garlic, 2 teaspoons salt, 2.5 liters water, 250 grams sesame seeds, 4 pieces ancho chilies, 4 pieces guajillo chilies, 3 pieces chili de árbol, 2 pieces cloves. Step 1. In a large stock pot, place the chicken pieces, half onion, smashed garlic, and salt. Cover with water and bring to a gentle boil. Step 2. Lower the heat to a simmer and skim off any foam that rises to the top. Cook for 25 to 30 minutes until the chicken is tender and fully cooked. Step 3. Remove the chicken from the broth and set aside. Strain the broth and reserve at least 4 cups for the sauce. Step 4. In a dry skillet over medium heat, toast the sesame seeds. Stir constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until they turn a golden brown and become fragrant. Be careful not to burn them, as they will turn bitter. Step 5. Remove the seeds from the pan and let them cool slightly. In the same skillet, lightly toast the dried chilies for 30 seconds per side until they release their aroma. Step 6. Place the toasted chilies in a bowl of hot water and let them soak for 10 minutes until softened. Step 7. In a high-speed blender, combine the toasted sesame seeds, the soaked chilies, discarding the soaking water, cloves, peppercorns, and cinnamon. Step 8. Add 2 cups of the reserved chicken broth to the blender. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and velvety. If it's too thick to blend, add more broth. Step 9. Heat the lard or oil in a large heavy-bottomed pot or cazuela over medium heat. Step 10. Carefully pour the blended sesame mixture into the hot fat. It may splatter, so be cautious. Stir immediately to incorporate. Step 11. Cook the sauce, stirring constantly, for about 10 minutes. The sauce will darken slightly and thicken as the sesame oils release. Step 12. Slowly whisk in another 1 to 2 cups of broth until you reach the consistency of heavy cream. Add the episode sprig for aroma. Step 13. Add the cooked chicken pieces back into the sauce. Simmer gently for another 5 to 10 minutes so the chicken absorbs the flavors of the pascal. Step 14. Taste and adjust seasoning with salt if necessary. Remove the episode sprig before serving. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.